the broadcast. Let's quickly shift our focus to that. Supreme Court on Aadhar's acceptability has allowed the 65 lakh aggrieved voters to submit their claims with Aadhar. So the Supreme Court has made it clear that for voters whose names have been wrongfully removed can submit their applications along with a copy of their Aadhar cards. We'll also try and go across to our reporters to get you more details on this particular angle, the Aadhar acceptability angle. In fact, Harish, our legal editor, is with us on the broadcast. Harish, now on this angle of acceptability of Aadhar, we're given to understand that the Supreme Court has said that the 65 lakh voters or people whose names have been wrongly omitted, wrongly removed from the list, can submit an application along with a copy of their Aadhar. So Aadhar would be applicable for all or for those whose names have been deleted?
Yes, in fact, Swati, this order of Aadhar is applicable to only the 65 lakh voters, people who have been omitted from the draft list. Anyways, Election Commission of India was considering to make Aadhar a supplementary document for enrollment in the draft roll. Remember, earlier Election Commission of India had been vehemently opposing Aadhar as a identity, Aadhar as a proof of citizenship, saying that Aadhar, as per Section 9 of the Aadhar Act, is only a document for authentication of one's identity and not citizenship. But they have been stonewalling requests from petitioners and also earlier requests from the court to include Aadhar. But today the Supreme Court said as far as this remaining 65 lakh voters are concerned, if this list should be uploaded and the information that the list has been uploaded should be given wide publicity through Doordarshan, leading newspapers and radio, and in the public notice it should be mentioned that those aggrieved can submit their claim forms along with the copy of the Aadhar, which means the Supreme Court says that Aadhar should be made one of the documents applicable for as ID for enrollment in the draft electoral roll. So as far as the final legality of Aadhar as a document for SIR is concerned, Supreme Court is yet to pronounce its final stand vis-a-vis Bihar SIR and also for SIR planned in other states. But for the time being, in the interim order, the Supreme Court has said those aggrieved can file their claim forms and submit a copy of the Aadhar.
All right, Harish, thank you very much. Thank you for getting us the details and thank you for putting things into perspective. We're moving on now. We are shifting our focus to the other development that